In setting the stage for the story of the young Buddhist monk named Dharma seeking wisdom from Zen master Hike, it is essential to first delve into the background information surrounding the great Buddha quote about the mind. The quote emphasizes the power of the mind in shaping one's reality and the importance of cultivating a clear and focused mental state to attain true enlightenment. Introducing the character Dharma, a curious and earnest young monk on a quest for understanding, adds depth to the narrative. His relentless pursuit of wisdom and knowledge reflects the timeless journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth that many individuals embark upon. The significance of seeking enlightenment and wisdom is underscored through Dharma's unwavering dedication to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and finding inner peace. As he seeks guidance from the wise Zen master Hike, Dharma embodies the essence of humility and openness required to receive the profound teachings that can lead him towards ultimate enlightenment. The story unfolds against the backdrop of ancient traditions and profound philosophical insights, inviting readers to contemplate the nature of existence and the path to true fulfillment. Through Dharma's encounters with challenges and revelations, the narrative explores the transformative power of seeking knowledge and embracing the unknown with courage and grace. Ultimately, the journey of the young monk serves as a poignant reminder of the timeless quest for meaning and purpose that lies at the heart of the human experience. As Dharma navigates the complexities of his inner world and grapples with the profound teachings of Zen philosophy, readers are invited to reflect on their own paths towards self-discovery and spiritual awakening. The story of Dharma and his quest for wisdom resonates with universal themes of growth, resilience, and the enduring quest for truth that transcends time and culture. Through his interactions with Zen master Hike and his own introspective journey, Dharma embodies the timeless wisdom of the Buddhist teachings and the transformative power of seeking enlightenment with an open heart and mind. Embarking on his journey to the remote mountain temple where Zen master Hike resides, Dharma's decision to seek the teachings of the revered master is driven by a deep yearning for spiritual enlightenment and a thirst for profound wisdom. As he traverses rugged terrain and treacherous paths, Dharma encounters physical and mental challenges that test his resolve and inner strength. The harsh elements and demanding conditions of the journey push Dharma to his limits, forcing him to confront his fears and doubts while honing his resilience and determination. Despite the obstacles that stand in his way, Dharma's unwavering faith in the transformative power of Hike's teachings fuels his determination to press on, propelling him forward with a sense of purpose and conviction. The anticipation and eagerness that Dharma feels as he nears the temple are palpable, his heart racing with a mixture of excitement and trepidation at the prospect of finally meeting the enigmatic Zen master. The air crackles with anticipation as Dharma's steps quicken, each breath filled with the promise of profound revelations and spiritual growth that await him within the sacred walls of the mountain temple. The weight of this quest hangs heavy in the air, mingling with the scent of pine and the distant echoes of chanting monks, creating an atmosphere charged with reverence and mystery. As Dharma approaches the temple gates, his pulse quickens with a mixture of awe and humility, his eyes alight with the fire of curiosity and determination. The journey that has brought him to this moment has been arduous and challenging, but the promise of enlightenment and wisdom beckons him forward, urging him to step boldly into the unknown with an open heart and mind. With each step closer to the temple, Dharma's anticipation grows, his spirit buoyed by the knowledge that he is on the cusp of a profound transformation that will forever alter the course of his life. Upon receiving his first task from Zen master Hike, to meditate without moving or thinking for an hour, Dharma's initial confidence is palpable, his determination unwavering as he settles into a cross-legged position on the cool stone floor of the meditation chamber. However, as the minutes tick by, Dharma's confidence gives way to a torrent of struggles and doubts, his mind racing with a cacophony of thoughts and emotions that threaten to derail his focus. The sensory experiences and distractions that Dharma encounters during his meditation are myriad, from the distant sound of a bird's song to the gentle rustling of leaves outside the window, each sensation pulling at his attention like a thread unraveling the fabric of his concentration. The flickering candle flame casts dancing shadows on the walls, its hypnotic dance luring Dharma's gaze away from the stillness he seeks within. The scent of sandalwood incense wafts through the air, mingling with the musky aroma of ancient scrolls and the faint echo of chanting monks in a symphony of sensory overload. Despite the overwhelming distractions that threaten to engulf him, Dharma's inner resolve begins to solidify, his breath slowing and his heartbeat steadying as he delves deeper into the recesses of his consciousness. In a moment of profound clarity, Dharma experiences a shift in perception, a realization that transcends the boundaries of this physical form and connects him to the vast expanse of universal consciousness. As the final moments of the hour-long meditation approach, Dharma's mind falls silent, his body still and his spirit soaring, freed from the constraints of ego and desire. In this moment of pure presence, Dharma undergoes a transformation unlike any he has ever known, his sense of self dissolving into the boundless expanse of the infinite. With a newfound sense of peace and clarity, Dharma emerges from his meditation cocoon, his eyes alight with the fire of inner knowing and his heart open to the endless possibilities that lie ahead on his journey towards enlightenment. In the second task presented to Dharma by Zen Master Hike, he is challenged to solve a riddle without relying on logic or words, pushing him to explore the depths of his intuition and creativity. Initially perplexed by the enigmatic nature of the riddle, Dharma's process of understanding and solving it unfolds like a delicate dance between confusion and clarity. As he lets go of the constraints of linear thinking and embraces the fluidity of intuitive feeling, Dharma's mind becomes a canvas upon which the riddle paints itself in vibrant hues of possibility and insight. The shift from logical reasoning to intuitive feeling is gradual yet profound, as Dharma surrenders to the wisdom of his heart and allows the riddle to unravel itself through the whispers of his inner voice. With each breath, Dharma delves deeper into the essence of the riddle, sensing its hidden truths and unraveling its mysteries with a sense of childlike wonder and curiosity. The importance of creativity and intuition in problem-solving becomes evident as Dharma navigates the labyrinthine pathways of the riddle, drawing upon his innate sense of imagination and ingenuity to unlock its secrets. Through the lens of intuition, the riddle transforms from a conundrum to a doorway leading to new realms of understanding and insight. Dharma's ability to tap into his creative wellspring and trust in the wisdom of his intuition proves to be the key to unraveling the riddle's cryptic message, revealing a tapestry of interconnected meanings and revelations that transcend the limitations of logic and language. As the final pieces of the riddle fall into place, Dharma experiences a profound sense of interconnectedness with the universe, his spirit soaring on the wings of inspiration and insight. The riddle, once a source of bewilderment, now stands as a testament to the transformative power of creativity and intuition in the process of problem-solving. Through his journey of unraveling the riddle without the constraints of logic or words, Dharma emerges with a newfound appreciation for the boundless potential of the human mind and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the confines of conventional thinking. In the final task set before Dharma by Zen Master Hike, he is confronted with his greatest fear, himself. Standing before a mirror that reflects not only his physical form but also the depths of his soul, Dharma's internal struggle is laid bare for all to see. As he gazes into his own eyes, a wave of self-doubt and insecurity washes over him, threatening to engulf his sense of self-worth and inner peace. The mirror becomes a metaphorical portal into the darkest corners of Dharma's psyche, revealing the shadows of his past traumas and fears that have long haunted him. In this moment of raw vulnerability, Dharma experiences a profound realization that the true enemy he must conquer lies not outside himself, but within the depths of his own being. The process of self-acceptance, love, and transformation unfolds like a delicate dance of light and shadow, as Dharma navigates the labyrinth of his own emotions and experiences with courage and grace. With each breath, he begins to unravel the layers of self-doubt and fear that have held him captive for so long, embracing his flaws and imperfections with a newfound sense of compassion and understanding. The mirror becomes a mirror not of judgment, but of reflection and self-discovery, as Dharma learns to see himself through the eyes of love and acceptance. The theme of overcoming fear and embracing one's true self emerges as Dharma confronts the demons that have long plagued his spirit, finding the strength and resilience to stand tall in the face of his innermost fears. Through the process of self-acceptance and transformation, Dharma undergoes a metamorphosis that transcends the physical realm, his spirit soaring free from the shackles of self-doubt and insecurity. As he embraces his true essence with open arms, Dharma discovers a newfound sense of liberation and empowerment that radiates from within. The mirror, once a source of fear and self-loathing, now stands as a symbol of Dharma's journey towards self-discovery and inner peace, reflecting the beauty and strength that have always resided within him. In this moment of profound realization and transformation, Dharma emerges from the crucible of self-confrontation reborn, his spirit ablaze with the light of self-love and acceptance. Dharma's journey of seeking wisdom and enlightenment from Zen Master Hike has been a transformative odyssey marked by profound growth and learning through the completion of 3 tasks. From the challenge of meditating without movement or thought to solving a riddle without logic or words, and finally confronting his greatest fear, himself in front of a mirror, Dharma has navigated the depths of his soul with courage and resilience. Each task served as a crucible for his self-awareness, acceptance, and transformation, pushing him to confront his innermost fears and insecurities while embracing the boundless potential of his true self. Through the process of self-discovery and introspection, Dharma has learned the importance of self-acceptance and love as catalysts for personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. His journey serves as a powerful reminder of the transformative power of facing our fears head-on and embracing the full spectrum of our humanity with compassion and grace. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the 3 dots. It looks like a heart within a $sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. As viewers reflect on Dharma's path to enlightenment, they are encouraged to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and inner transformation. By embracing the lessons of self-awareness, acceptance, and transformation that Dharma has learned from Zen Master Hike, viewers can unlock the door to their own spiritual growth and evolution. The key lies in cultivating a deep sense of compassion and understanding towards oneself, recognizing that true wisdom and enlightenment stem from embracing our vulnerabilities and imperfections with an open heart and mind. As viewers embark on their own quest for self-discovery and enlightenment, they are invited to share their insights and reflections with others, fostering a community of support and growth. By embracing the lessons of Dharma's journey and applying them to their own lives, viewers can tap into the wellspring of inner wisdom and strength that lies dormant within each of us, waiting to be awakened. May Dharma's story serve as a beacon of inspiration and guidance for all who seek to walk the path of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, reminding us that the journey towards enlightenment begins with a single step taken in faith and courage.